Can't beat it. See what else we got going on down here. Look at these drunkards walking into the cab over here. You know a baby's going to get made in that. Or some sort of abortion clinic's going to get their money probably one way or the other. You know, that's a drunken, sloppy sex. Oh, we got, hey, caution, lady, caution. Hey, caution. Hey, caution. We got Rena. Rena, how are you tonight?
Fucking fabulous.
And who do we have over here?
That's Miss Bliss. Hi.
Brittany Bliss. What's going on tonight, ladies?
Downtown Update?
This is Downtown Update, ladies. What is going under construction here?
What are you doing?
We fixed everything.
Hey,
yeah.
pipes were...
What?
Hey,
no, pipes are clean?
It was fucked up.
Yeah, we got
things,
our level.
Hey,
wait a minute.
things were unlevel.
No, we're good.
But we got it.
They're on, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
They're on level. No. They're on level now.
Good.
They're on level now.
Let's measure those bad boys.
Let's measure. How big is that? How big are those? Oh, hold on.
Big.
Hold on. I'm trying to level them out.
Right.
Hold on.
Hey, Coach Kent. Where do you fucking level up? Hold up.
You got, yeah, no, you got to keep going.
Hold on.
You got to keep going.
Level this shit up.
You got to keep going with that.
Level it
more.
up. Oh, I'm sorry. Coach Kent.
Was that a cold day?
Yeah, maybe. That's more flaccid.
Flaccid?
Yeah, you got to keep going.
Oh my God.
You got to keep going. It don't stop. It don't stop. Yeah. But you would have to use the angle too. You would have to use the angle level. How big's your deal?
It went limp.
Oh, that happened. That will tend to happen.
It went limp.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
hey, you got the whiskey dick. You get the snow dick. It happens, right? It happens.
Whiskey dick, bitch.
Well, I'm saying it happens sometimes, though, right? But hey, you can always make it work, right?
Okay,
Yeah, absolutely.
Always work with it.
Yes.
We got a handle. Don't worry. We got a handle.
You got a handle. How was it up there? How was it?
It was okay. It was fun. It was like
People with costumes are coming up.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. How is it? Halloween being so kind of late but early?
Weird. It's like okay, what do you do? Halloween's on Thursday, so it's like, well, do we celebrate the week before, which is like
too early, but
6
November's
days earlier?
What do you do? What do you do?
It's like, well, after Halloween, where it's like, it's November already. It's fucked up.
It's already Thanksgiving, pretty much.
It's already fucked up.
It's fucked up. That's how you do. Fucked up.
Fucked up.
Rena,
hold on. Hey, get out of my way. Is it karaoke time?
Who's hosting this now?
Yeah.
My show's been taken
I'm
over.
sorry.
It's Rena Suzuki.
Rena Suzuki.
Hello. Hey, my name is Rena Suzuki, and we got the
notion.
And
my name's Rena Suzuki. We got the notion.
That's what you were singing earlier.
You almost made me start, bitch. Okay, hold on. How do we work this?
Go up. Yeah, you gotta keep it
Go
up.
up.
Gotta keep it up.
Keep it up.
You gotta keep it up.
Clark Kent. Lamborghini
Superman.
Dark Tent.
Dark tent, yeah.
Lamborghini Dark Tent.
Oh, Lamborghini Dark tent.
Like
Clark Kent, Superman.
Duh.
Stud.
Duh.
Duh.
Who are you?
Who are you? She wants to know who the cameraman is.
Who's the cameraman?
Who's the cameraman?
Ravi.
Hey.
Oh, there he is.
Hey. Ravi, your light's like in my face. Like, I don't like it.
You don't like it in the face.
Oh, okay. Should I just...
No, I like it in the face.
Way better.
Yeah.
Let's keep it there.
Don't get it twisted. I like in the face, but
Don't get that twisted.
duh.
Duh.
Well, I don't like the light bright like.
Thank you for taking over the show.
Send our check to P.O. Box.
Is my areola showing? Okay, wait.
No, we can just a peek.
Okay, do you have to blur it?
Yeah, we can.
No, do you have to?
Yeah, we will.
Measure them up.
That's no fun.
Ravi, lay it out, brother.
Well, we don't have to. Nice, look at these guys got it going on. That's sick stuff. Nice, guys, nice shit, guys. Nice, all the way. You got Breaking Bad there, is that what that is? We're on Downtown Update with the Holtz here. We can't get a picture, Holtz. We're on video.
Get a video of it, Kent.
Keep it.
And we got an interview for the Luigi costume.
Okay, how'd you get the Luigi costume?
Well, Kent, I decided to go.
Well, Kent.
I decided to make it myself instead of buying a cheap one made in China. That's made of cheap materials, very thin.
China,
so.
bitch.
I know you're Japanese.
Oh,
so-
okay.
So,
On top of his shitty nose.
so
All of
I
us
went.
Asians look
just,
the same.
So I just went to, you know, t-shirt factory, got the Dickies overalls, as you could see.
I like
the Dickies
it.
logo, thank you. And then I got the hat,
Thank
got some
you.
felt, and of course, you know, I got it all at t-shirt factory, and I got the gloves at Orchard back when they were off of Golden West in Yorktown. They were still there.
Costumes? Home Depot, baby.
Yeah, Home Depot.
Home Depot.
HD.
Nice. How much? How much did it cost for the whole deal?
$30?
30? Yeah.
For both or each?
Well,
Oh, we got down here.
We're not savages.
We got him always,
I'm a savage.
always making it once again. Another appearance. Here we go. CA. We have to say it. We have the construction of CAA.
For the men to enjoy, you can stay out.
Get updated, downtown update.